A big news update coming in from Jharkhand. This is with regard to the 35 crore rupees cash seizure by the ED. Now we are told that the serving incumbent minister in the government, Alamgir Alam, has reached the ED office in Ranchi. Remember, he was summoned by the agency. The inquiry into the case of the recovery of approximately 35 crores in cash. The money, remember, was recovered from the hideout of one of the close aides' house help, Sanjeev Lal and Jahangir Alam. Alamgir Alam, the serving minister in Rural and Development Ministry in Jharkhand, has been now asked by the agency to come and answer some questions. We are told that this was after the top Jharkhand bureaucrat was raided. For now, Sanjeev Lal and Jahangir Alam are on ED remand, and they will be questioned on this as well.
जितना हो सके हम लेकर आए, हम कानून मानने वाले हैं, इसलिए हम
आलमगीर जी ये लोग पहले से जो लोग हैं उनके बारे में कहा जा रहा है कि आप आपस में बिठा कर आमने सामने
कुछ करें, वो तो वो उनके लिए उनका जो है
जो भी उनका ये रहेगा आप जवाब देंगे।
Satyajit is joining me for the latest on that. Satyajit, what is expected on this, and is this the first time, right, that the minister has come to the ED office? What has been his statement? What are we expecting by the agencies over the serving minister?
Of course, he has been summoned as expected. He was summoned for May 14th and he has turned up on time, ahead of the time. He was asked to come before 11 o'clock and he was there at the ED office at around 10:30. Just after 10:30, he was there with a yellow color folder. He had all the documents inside it and he said that he is ready to all the questions of ED, whatever ED wants, he is ready to cooperate. And prior to this also, when there was a cash seizure of about 35 crore rupees from his PS and his aide's location, Jahangir Alam, Alamgir Alam had said that he is his PS. Of course, he is his PS, but he has come and he has been nominated for the official quota. And prior to this, he has served with two ministers who hailed from the BJP. So what was going on?
All right, Satyajit, I'll come back to you in just a short while. Let's listen in again to what did the minister say. Remember, he's the Rural Development Minister whose close aid house was where 35 crores almost in cash were recovered.
समय एक दिन मिला, जितना हो सके हम लेकर आए, हम कानून मानने वाले हैं, इसलिए हम
आलमगीर जी ये लोग पहले से जो लोग हैं उनके बारे में कहा जा रहा है कि आप आपस में बिठा कर आमने सामने
कुछ करें, वो तो वो उनके लिए उनका जो है
जो भी उनका ये रहेगा आप जवाब देंगे।